Hi YouTube, it's Olivia Nita and I'm back with another hair video. Today I'm going to be doing knotless box braids with a frontal. And if you're watching this video and you're subscribed, thank you for being subscribed. And if you're watching this video and you're not, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you hear the rain in the background, just excuse it. It's raining today. And I didn't record how you're supposed to do the front, and I'm so sorry about that. So she started parting the back of my head in the boxes, and I wanted my braids big, so she parted my hair in big parts. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. I am having a giveaway. The rules will be down below in the description box. So if you're watching this video right now, just scroll up, hit the description box, check out the rules, and then just comment down done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So go into the giveaway. Okay, so I didn't record me putting on my frontal this time. I do have other videos on my channel showing you how I put on a frontal. So you can go check those videos out after you watch this one. So I laid my frontal and then I just started adding my hair with the frontal hair and started braiding it, knotless braiding it. I can't tell y'all how to explain to y'all how to knotless braid because I just can't explain it. I could just show you better than I could tell you, so just watch the video and you will see how I did it. I kind of messed up, y'all. I started getting like frustrated and discouraged because the way the frontal came out a little bit, but in the end I made it look good. Like, it actually came out cute. I wore it for about a week and a half before I took it down, so it was cute, y'all. I liked it. It was real cute. I want to do it. I want to try it again. You guys, my sister, she always is doing extra shit in the camera, so just excuse her. She is literally a big ass goofball. For real. She just be making me laugh. So I just started braiding, and I was just like, I'm gonna keep going. I was like, I'm gonna just keep going. And I was just praying to the gods, to her gods, like, please let it come out and look like something. Because we was literally doing this, like, what? Took us, like, what? About 3-4 hours. So I was like, bro, please, Jesus. And this is what I was talking about. If you look real closely, you can see like my frontal was kind of like, it had the little ruffles I be telling y'all about that you don't want in your frontal. And I was just like, God, Lee, y'all, this rain that got loud. Hold on real quick. So I just started doing my baby hairs, and I was just like, it was cute, y'all. Like, it was cute. I was like, okay, maybe it looked cute. I was like, but we not done yet. Like, the finished look gotta be right. So I just continued to do my baby hairs, and the final result, it was cute, y'all. I loved it. I am gonna try this hairstyle out again, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and also enter my giveaway, and enjoy watching the rest of the video. Bye.